Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video with the Driveline channel. Guys, I just appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving the channel. All the likes, the comments, the dislikes. Guys, I have really exciting news though. I apologize for not uploading, but I recently got some new upgrades on the car, so we finally have Kooks headers on the car along with a 3-inch catted X pipe. Got the car re-dyno tuned, so the car made 20 horsepower on top and 30 foot-pounds all over as well too. So guys, enjoy this little exhaust teaser and I will get back to you with a little bit more content.